The GWR 517 class was a small tank locomotive class built by the Great Western Railway, GWR, in the UK, with its first locomotives constructed in 1868. Developed from earlier classes, such as the GWR Sharpstreak and GWR No. 6 class, these engines were designed to provide reliable and efficient haulage for smaller trains. Notable innovations of the class included a more powerful boiler and improved drive mechanism, which allowed for increased speed and efficiency. The class was associated with important milestones, including the construction of the Great Western Railway's longest route, from Bristol to London Paddington. These locomotives played a significant role in shaping the railway network in the UK, particularly on rural routes where their versatility and reliability were crucial.